You did.
Okay. Okay. It's your damn fault.
Y'all can see yourself too. Hope y'all know that.
I'm about to do the nay-nay. I'm gonna cut my dick off and call it me Belle Michelle.
Nigga, you look like a brownie with eyes, motherfucker. You can't be talking.
Looking like Janet Jackson.
You said Janet Jackson.
Nigga, you look like Janet Jackson and blah.
You with your avatar head.
Oh, they going bake mode. Oh.
You look like you just bought Mickey D. That nigga said, banana. I'm loving you.
You got that LeBron edge up.
Nigga, you got that Kobe edge up. Like, nigga, I got a check mark. Come out here.
Y'all done?
Boy, you know how I say, is you turned up or not?
Y'all done?
Your shit look like a McDonald's sign with damn spots on that motherfucker.
Oh, let me get it. Let me get it. Watch out.
Let me see one.